Hi, I'm Tej and I'm currently studying in Lab 4 at École Intuit Lab. I interned for 4 months with one of my professors, Mr. Tej Parwani, at his design agency called Starting Monday Design and Branding Company. It was a fantastic experience. We were given the opportunity to work on different branding projects, different packaging projects. We worked with multiple FMCG brands. We were able to actually solve important design problems that were coming up. We were given instant briefs where we were supposed to solve it in a week, and it was supposed to go out to production in a span of a month. We launched new brands together. We worked on logos for new brands together. It was a fantastic experience overall. The 3 years of École Intuit Lab, from Lab 1's hand skills to Lab 2's learning about branding, and Lab 3's applying about branding, all of them helped us through the entire internship experience. Thank you.